Counsel, Justice Thomas, anything further?
Are there, not your case, but are there any provisions, is there any prohibition in 1311 against EPA having the generic limitations in a plan for someone else? Just generically, not you.
Is there a prohibition?
Yeah. Are they precluded from having generic limitations?
I don't think there's anything expressly precluding them, but except that they are not authorized to do so, right? EPA only has authority when authorized, and so I think Section 301 is silent about generic prohibitions. It doesn't authorize.
Well, let me ask you, can EPA impose generic limitations on anyone?
No.
Why?
Because they point to Section 301B1C as their only source of authority to impose generic prohibitions, and that provision does not allow it.
And why is that?
Because what can be imposed under Section 301B1C is limitations on discharges. Those are effluent limitations. They need to tell permit holders their obligations. That's the entire point of that section and its requirements. So by imposing a generic prohibition, they're simply telling us to figure it out for ourselves, which we think is contrary to the statutory scheme.
So would you have an arbitrary and capricious claim if you did not bring this as a statutory claim?
Yes.